I'll show you. Come on this side, please. What we're going to do is we're going to again place a marker ball off the line of fame. There. Okay. Hello, my friend. You've done it. At last.
وانا العب خطر اني كنت احس الكيو كانه بهالطريقه بس صراحه
ليش؟ لانك قبل انت كنت تعود.
Yes, because you were
لانك انت كنت
offline.
Now my feeling my cue like this.
الحين معناته شوف
Yes,
البرين
but it is correct.
قاعد يعدل الحين.
Because it will take time to, this is the first time you are doing it.
السوفت وير
It will take, yes.
السوفت وير لازم يسوي ابديت الحين. اي والله.
Okay.
تراست يور لاين. شوف في شيء يقول لك دائما ثق باللاين اللي انت تاخذه. انت ما دام اخذت فوق خلاص انزل عليه والغي المخ.
Yes. How easy it gets, isn't it? Before you were struggling, 10 torque, couldn't get one.
My feeling, my cue like this.
Don't worry, you will switch very soon.
Yeah.
But do a bit more of your on this side. I want to do a bit more. Okay, Emma, for you, this is now slightly tough. I want you to stand behind before we fixed it. Now I don't want to face it. I want you not to let this ball drop off the cue. Then go in short. Okay, softly. Very difficult, but doable. You can't force it too much, but this will give you actually the feel of steadiness that is required for every shot. Mr. Muhammad, voila! I think we're done with him, isn't it? Okay, so no, you have to bring your cue up to. This is our marker ball, isn't it? It's like white ball. So let it come, Shabash. More. No, you're too much. You're down too early.
First,
let the cue reach,
and then
then do the cue. Soft. See, there's a slight tendency of this. Yeah, you see? There and there. There's a difference. Blaster, eh? Take your cue off. Do it again. Okay, now I want you to play the same shot on this side, but keep playing. Good. The same tendency that we were having is only that ball dropped.
yeah.
Do spend 5 minutes more on this, and then we can come on the game again. Try to play slow. You are hitting too hard. I know, because suddenly your cue power increases as well. Don't place it that far. Bring it here. Start from there. Easy shot, not too far, too hard. Because you have just gone through a major surgery.